What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2023 Demonica from Spirit Halloween. Alright guys, so this is the remake version. This is not like the original 2010, 2012 version. This is the brand new version they just released. This is Demonica. Now, typically I would do my animatronic unboxings outside. One, it's raining right now. Two, she's really small, so I can just set her right up on the table. So that's what we're going to do. So, popping open this box, you can see the face right there actually. Can't really see it, but yeah. So yeah. You can kind of see everything, because there's not a ton of setup from what I've seen of this prop. So we got the instructions right here. I don't think I'm going to use them because I watched a bunch of videos, so I shouldn't need them today. Alright, so actually the first thing coming out is going to be Demonica herself, which she looks amazing. Wow, she looks creepy. Look at this thing. Holy crap. This is one of the scariest faces we've gotten from Spirit in a long time. Here's the control box. She of course has the brand new control box that all props use now. Yeah, new control box. The big booming speaker like all the new techie stuff has, which is amazing because I actually love the audio on this thing. So we're going to turn that all the way up for when we do this. Right here we have the mechanism. So yeah, it's covered in this thing, I believe, so it doesn't get caught, because I think that was a pretty big problem with the old Demonicas. And lastly, we have the base, which is great because it is metal. Always good to see. It'll be much easier, one, because the board won't be on the ground, which is always good to see. It's kind of been a thing recently that Techie isn't doing anymore. Like, I mean, the only one that's really like that still is the jumping spiders, but you can't really avoid that. Yeah, so you can easily also just put stakes right here to stake her down on the ground, so it's awesome. I told you guys, there's not many parts to this thing. So, that is going to do it for the unboxing portion of this video. Now, let's get to the setup. Alright guys, just got her set up. Let's plug her in. Alright guys, so that was the new for 2023 version of Demonica. So I think she's really cool. I think $150 is not a bad price point for her, especially because all the upgrades like the new metal base and the new mechanism. I don't really see her breaking. I mean, it's possible, but I mean, she doesn't look like really faulty. I mean, the only thing I could really see breaking possibly is the neck, because that's still kind of an old mechanism, but it should be fine. I will say, when you get her, you might want to have a hairstylist like on a speed dial, because we've known Demonica has been like a remake since March. So her hair was in that hair net for the past while up, which really made her hair not good. So my sister just had to do like a whole makeover on her hair to make it look somewhat decent. I mean, it's tied, it's in the back right now, but it looks like pretty much like the box. But yeah, it looked really bad before. So just be prepared. Her hair may look a little weird out of the box. Like when we first demoed her, it was really weird. But yeah. All right, guys, that's enough rambling. Yeah. Overall, if you want to get Demonica, I say go for it because she's really awesome. The merch link will be in the description below, and also the link to buy Demonica will be in the description below. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.